Guys, so a couple of weeks ago I built myself this two-wheel drive racing buggy. Took it to my local racing club. We qualified first in pole position, but then in the final race we came last. And I'm not very good at two-wheel drive, so I've got myself a four-wheel drive buggy. So in this video we're going to unbox it, then we're going to build it, and then we're going to race it and see if we're going to do any better than with the two-wheel drive car. So with this being a professional competition kit, we've also got some competition radio gear. We've got a Reedy motor, Hobby Wing ESC, KO servo, and a Samurai radio.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yep, that's enough waffle. Let's start wrenching before Greta gets really angry. Boom! Right, so now I'm going to skip a few steps and paint the body. We want to race this tomorrow evening. I don't want to paint it last minute and it's still wet. Don't! It's another day, body's painted. We have until 6 o'clock to get the car ready for racing. The clock is ticking. Guys, I think we have a problem. So in the instructions, it's got these little top hat things here that go in between there to take out the slop. Trouble is, I cannot find them anywhere. So maybe they're in one of these bags, in which case we're going to have to fit it later. Or maybe I chucked it away and it might be in here. So I'm going to have to go through all that lot. But for now, let's continue with the build. Then we'll worry about that later. The clock's ticking. Oh look, in that packet of all this stuff came these little top hat things. For some reason, I thought these were going to be black, so I wasn't really looking out for anything blue. There we go, got them all fitted. So next, we have to fit the radio gear. So here we've got a KO servo, one of the best servos that you can get. Oh, come on, open up. Check it out, guys. Metal cased, metal gears. This looks just like a Swiss watch, but made in Japan, so it must be good. Oh man, I wish you could feel that. You always know when a servo's good when it feels this smooth. So next, we got to turn it all on, make sure that it all works, set up the servo and everything. Then we can fit the wheels. Then it's going to be finished. Then we can go rip. Yes. So radio on. No idea how you use it. And don't know if we have to bind it or not. Oh, we're already binded. And power. Wahey. Look at that. Check out the speed of that servo. So now for the last step, tyres, and then we can play. So here we can see the 4-wheel drive next to the 2-wheel drive. Alright, let's go race it! Yes! And we finished it just in time. Put your moan yet?
You moan.
Alright, so anyway, Vinny is setting up my controller. Too much that way, yeah. You know what you're doing.
Cut that bit out, Chris. Why is it not working? That's because we're going left.
Leave that bit in, Chris. Now more.
Yeah, that's the mode. Back up to that, left.
Next, we got to see if we've geared it right. So, you ready, Vinny? Vinny's giving it the maiden. Sort that out then. How's that all work?
We'll go to sub trim.
Everybody needs a Vinny. Can you explain to us how the racing format works?
No.
All the heats and the finals?
No.
Oh, Vinny doesn't want to explain it, but we get how many qualifying rounds?
3.
So we get 3 qualifying rounds. The idea is to get as many laps in as possible, and then you get put into A, B, or C final. So the best final is to A.
Yeah.
That's one we're going to try and get that in.
Well, you are.
And Vinny is running a 2-wheel drive. Are you going to win?
No.
No.
Are you going to win?
No.
I don't know. I think Rich wants to win.
Is Richard going to win? Is he? No. Hey, there goes Vinny. First qualifying round for Mr. Vinny. Go on, Vinny. Show him how it's done, mate. He's got a smile on his face, he's having fun. Here's the old timing system. Where we got Vinny? Vinny in the middle there, look. Right, they're finished. Where did Vinny come? Oh, 4th position. Check out the speed of this KO servo, look.
You've got to clean this up with that 4-wheel drive, you cheater. Only cheaters use 4-wheel drive. So we didn't do too well on that one. We could do some more front end grip. So I'm going to try these knobblies here and see what happens.
The start order is...
Boom! Uh-oh, I'm not a marshal. I'm a mechanic. Marshal!
Race over. The finishing order is 2, 4,
second place.
1.
Alright, one more heat and then we got the final. Where's Vinny gone? Oh, has he broken it? That was Vinny's. Marshall! Come on, Marshall!
Marshall race.
Bit of Marshall rage going on over there.
A bit of Marshall race, didn't we?
Ah.
Bad maintenance.
Oh.
I blame the mechanic.
all after
Where do we come? Where do we come? Where do we come?
Second.
Oh, second.
And then come the final, we're going to come last again, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, Kev's in the lead. Will he hold it? Pretty round there. Currently running first. Got to try hard now. Pat Marker's causing some trouble. Oh no! Oh, he pushed his way through. Oh, second place makes a mistake. Oh, here we go. This is for the win. Oh yes, first, second. Did he win? How many laps did he do? 22 laps.
4.
Let's go and wind him up now. Oh, Kev, something happened. You come third.
Did I come first?
Yeah, that's it. So he come third, Rich. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I come first?
Yeah. You did. You come first.
Did he come first, did he? Did I come first? No.
You beat me by a couple of seconds.
Did I really?
Yeah, you made a few mistakes. You were well ahead.
I don't believe you.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Where? Oh, yeah, we did win. Look.
I've done it already.